So when it comes to sleep hygiene, and that's really what it is, hygiene, you need to focus on the easy wins. So remove all the lights from your bedroom. Try to get blackout curtains. Any little red dot or anything emitting light, put black tape over it. And if you still have too much light coming in, well then consider getting a high quality sleep mask. It will suck for the first few days and weeks, but in the long run, it's gonna be worth it. My next recommendation is a weighted blanket, preferably something that's 10% your body weight. I optimize all areas of my sleep. The weighted blanket was the one thing I actually didn't try for years, and once I implemented it, I immediately noticed a big increase in my deep sleep. The temperature is also a massive thing. I know some people like to sleep with it a little warmer, but just try to continuously decrease the temperature and make it colder and colder. The colder the room, the better your sleep is gonna be. And last thing is trying to remove all blue lights at night. Learn how to dress well. Learn how to find good quality clothes. When you leave the house, you should be presentable. Learn how to find clothes that fit you well, not too tight and not too loose. Learn how to layer clothes, and then also start getting stuff tailored. You can buy trousers that are $30 or $40 and go take them to a tailor. They'll get them tailored for you for $15, $20, $30. And I know that's an additional cost, but you will look far better than the people spending hundreds of dollars on all this designer, this and that, etc., etc.